Here are the top 15 most disturbing images captured by doorbell cameras. Number 15. Look at this heart-stoppingly horrific video captured by this Ring doorbell camera. Number 14. Every driver in South End fakes a jewelry delivery before deciding to steal the box for himself. Number 13. This TikTok user named Jess decided to scare some youngsters who were messing about their automobiles. Justice was done. Number 12. This unusual video shows a person approaching a stranger's driveway, then jumping around on a pogo stick for a few moments before the video ends. Number 11. Samantha, a woman, claims that her uncle's Ring doorbell camera captured this late one night. Number 10. This doorbell video shows a man pushing his grandmother in a wheelchair and halting her in the driveway to fetch something. When he looks away, the grandma slides down the driveway and into the street, and the man runs after her. Number 9. Some criminals escape after setting off an alarm, according to Ring doorbell footage. This happened on Manor Avenue in Sale, Manchester. Alarms are worth investigating since they have been demonstrated to prevent burglars and protect your property. Examine the door wedge alarm referenced in this video. Number 8. Assume you're sleeping and hear the ring chime in the middle of the night. This is what you see in the video. Number 7. Tweakers were waiting on both sides of their porch for them to open the door to an innocent female, according to one user. This is why you should always be on the watch. Number 6. This TikTok user is sure that the doorbell footage reveals they have a ghost in their house.
These are nothing in your mouth flavors. Now, Dwayne has over 10 different flavors. We didn't bring them all. We have chocolate chip, cornflake, mac nut butter, little vanilla, and more. But today we have for you to taste the mac nut. You're right. These are pretty big too. Yeah, we're gonna tackle this baby. So pretty much pizza. You need them any time of day. What's that comparison? Yeah. Honestly, I can't do with any food. Or I can eat anything and take food there. We're gonna put that on a t-shirt or a sticker. Anything that's warm or cold, with coffee, that's what texture too. So, I know cookie company. Yeah. It's pretty great.
Number 5. This horrifying video, posted by a man named Josh, shows an attempted robbery during the day. Number 4. This user uploaded the doorbell footage below to their TikTok account, along with the caption, "When your neighbor was only whining about your doorbell camera till someone eggs his door. Now he wants footage from the same camera."
My phone number is 913. My neighbor.
Number 3. According to this guy, their fiancé woke them up one night to show them this video. They were both scared to death. This stranger in the video leaves something on the porch. Nobody knows for sure, but it has the shape of a human. Number 2. This video shows a guy shooting his daughter's ex-boyfriend during a break-in.
Okay, wait. He's fine. He don't have nothing. He don't have no gun. He don't have no gun. Don't do anything.
He tried to break in and get to our daughter.
Okay, well, he's not moving. He don't have a gun.
He broke our door in. Trying to get to our daughter. Our daughter's busted in. I'm sorry.
Okay, hold on. Did you shoot him?
Yes.
Okay. Call 911.
It's already, no, we're on the phone with him right now.
Okay, he's not moving. He ain't going nowhere. I thought I heard 5 shots. Like, what the?
No, 3 shots. He broke into our door coming in after our daughter. But my husband shot. He come barreling in right behind me and my daughter in the car.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, so we got in here and he wouldn't leave. We kept telling him to leave.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. He's fucking so sorry. I'm so sorry. Obviously, this was that between you. Was he dating her?
They dated a long time ago. It was a long time ago.
I think.
And he
Yeah.
left her voicemail, left a message last night. Oh my God.
Okay, just calm down. Calm down. He's dead. He's got the gun. Huh? He's got the gun. He's going to have the gun. The people inside here shot this guy here was trying to break into their house. The guy's dead. He died. Okay, where's the guy with the gun? The guy's dead right here. Where's the guy with the gun? Inside the house. He's the homeowner. This guy tried to break in the house. Okay. And the guy was just basically protect himself.
We're right here.
Okay, you guys have your gun down?
Yeah, we're right here.
This guy just died.
Stay tuned for a surprise number 1 pick. Number 1. This deranged drunk, comments one TikTok user. Karen arrived at my mother's house with a bat at 1 a.m. on Friday, November 25th. I had just completed seeing Netflix's Half-Baked, and the next thing I know, there's a loud banging at the front door.
Oh.
Paul? Hello? Hello?
Paul doesn't live here.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post new content. Until then, stay vigilant.